Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how you can add pictures inside of Microsoft Word. So basically there is many ways that you can add pictures directly in Microsoft Word, and those ways don't require you to look for a picture on the internet and simply copy and paste it on Microsoft Word. Why? Because you can do all this directly on Word. So actually there are 4 ways that you can add pictures. You can add pictures from your device. So if you already have a picture on your device, you can add a picture from your phone with a QR code, of course. You can add a picture from a stock photos. And finally, you can add pictures directly from the internet. So we're gonna check out all those 4 ways to add pictures directly on Microsoft Word. So to be able to do so, it's pretty simple. What you need to do at first is simply go here on the Insert tab. And here you will see the picture icon. You can simply click on it, and here you will have the 4 options. So let's start with the first option. So let's say this device, for example. So here on this device, I'll be able to have access to one of the pictures that I want to add. So this is a thumbnail for one of my past videos. So I can add this thumbnail, for example. So as you can see here, I have added my thumbnail. So I can click on approve. There we go. So this is the thumbnail of one of my videos, so how to read a macro on Word. So it's one of my past videos. So this is a thumbnail that I have just added. You can also modify your picture. Well, you can do this with all the pictures. As you can see right here, those are all the options for you if you want to not modify the picture, but add, modify the format of the picture actually. So let's put it like this. So as you can see, it's possible to do so directly on Word. Alright, so as I said, this is the first way that you guys can add a picture directly from, on Microsoft Word. The second way will be through your phone. So you simply click on mobile device, you scan the QR code, and you will be able to do it. The third way will be the stock images. So it's a little bit like the online pictures. So you simply click on stock images. And then once you are on stock images, what's going to happen is that you will be able to look for a picture. So let's say, for example, you want to look for finance. Here you go. So those are all stock photos of finances. So we can select any of those pictures. Let's say this one, for example. And here you go. We have just added a finance picture inside of our Word document. Once again, you can modify the format of that picture as well. Here you have all the tools to modify a little bit the format of your picture. So let's make it like this, for example. So we have added a picture from, we have added a stock image directly on our Word document. The last way that you can add a picture will be with a online picture. So if we go here, we click on online picture, and here what you're gonna see is that you'll be able to make a research directly on Bing and then have access to way more pictures. So let's say, for example, I want to look for a cake. Here you have a variety of cakes that you can use. So let's say, for example, I don't know, I want to use this one. So here you go. You have another picture of a cake directly inside of your Word document. You didn't have to go through your web browser or anything else. Directly on your Word document, you have imported the pictures directly from the internet. So that's it for this video. So if you guys have found value in this video and learned how to add pictures inside of your Word document, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.